Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're starting out our day with the Member Daily Spin. So let's do this. No. Okay. Oh, I got 3 diamonds. Okay, that's good. Sorry guys, I'm still sick. I'm making this video kind of early in the morning. It's 10:29 currently, as you can see in my bottom left corner, or right corner, whatever. But that's because I'm staying home from school today because I am sick. So, yeah. So today we are going to be trying, or actually no. I know how to get the golden pig actually. The golden pig is not rare, don't fall for it. The golden pig is just a normal pig just with an accessory on it that makes it golden. So, honestly, if the pigs were still here, I could demonstrate, but sure, she watches my videos, apparently, because I'm pretty sure someone subscribed to me that, okay, there's so many people wanting to be my buddy. Hi. You guys, they probably don't. Do you guys watch me vid? Oh my gosh. Sub to Ashford. No. Hi. Do you need something? I probably sound like such a mean person. Oh, they left. Hello from the other. Okay, so what should we do today, guys? Let's check out the parties like I always do in my videos. Jam session. No, thank you. Ooh, actually, we can just go to the summer carnival. But it's gonna be super laggy, like always. Yep. Okay, we can't go to the summer carnival. Too much lag. Okay, so guys, today, like I was gonna go do before I got buddied by all those people. Today I'm gonna wait. I need a. No, she's still not on. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna go to the I'm losing my voice. Okay, sorry about that pause. I was just losing my voice. It sounded like I was dying. Let's see if there's any animals on sale. I want the llamas so bad. Why does it say new? They're not new. They've been here for a long time. Okay. I already have a pig. I don't really want the sloth. I don't like the sloth. No offense. Probably just. I want the lion. I'm getting the lion. I'm getting a lion. Because they're probably like going on sale to because they are probably I forgot. What I meant to say is that they're probably going on sale because they're probably going to ship them, however they call it, send them away. But I really like the lion. They have such courageous. Ow, no. I'm gonna do paw. I just like the name paw. Sure, you want to buy this item? Do you think this is an item? How dare you? How dare you? Wow, I have a whole 0 diamonds. I could buy this owl. No, I can't. Oh no. Okay. So, let's go try. Ooh. Okay. Why won't it let me go to my dad? Okay. So now, let's try. I've actually never had a lion. I used to have every single animal except for the lion and the... Here, I'll show you all the animals I didn't have. So on my other account, before it got banned, I had I had this animal, this animal, this animal, I had all the non-member ones. Why is it saying endangered? That's kind of creepy. The pandas, this is very scary. Huh? Okay. But anyways, I had all the non-member animals, and the only diamond animals I had were the eagle, the Arctic wolf, and the Arctic fox, and the owl. Oh yeah, and the lynx, and the lemur, and the toucan, and the falcon, and the pig, and the sloth. But anyway, those are the ones I had. But that's very creepy that says endangered. Oh no, I didn't mean to click on that. No. Okay, so now time to check out my lion. Why you always lie? Okay, dance. Dance for me. Wow. Looks like some old grandpa dance moves. Sorry if you're old grandpa. It's like, aw, where did my eyes go? My eyes are gone. Hold on. Let me zoom in on this. Yeah, my eyes are gone. Oh, now they're back. Yeah. Okay, so let's see the hop. Pretty cool. The play. Is it just me, or does these lines look kind of like a saber-toothed tiger mixed with a Bigfoot? Comment down below if you think that too, or what do you think it is? Oh my gosh, it's a pretty big spike. Pretty good. I don't have a lot of items. Wait, I can go buy something. Oh, they already have these out. Okay, let's see. You know what? I'll make buying and decorating my lion for next video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I don't know what I was gonna say. No, but like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribing is free. It's the red button if you're new to YouTube. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!